Imagine a snake so massive it can swallow a deer, yet somehow this giant might just be your ally. The green anaconda, feared in myths and movies, is far more than a jungle monster. From protecting crops to inspiring medical breakthroughs, it has benefits that may surprise you. And by the time we're done, you might even find yourself rooting for this snake.
Hello and welcome to the very first episode of Animals Done, where we uncover how the nature's most unexpected creatures shape our lives. I'm Adrian Kade, and joining me is our resident wildlife expert, Sage Arlen. Sage, thanks for being here to kick off our journey.
It's great to be here, Adrian. And what a creature to start with. The green anaconda, Eunectes marinus, lives in the swamps, rivers, and flooded forests of South America, especially the Amazon and Orinoco basins. Females can grow over 6 meters long and weigh more than 200 kilograms, heavier than a grand piano. They're ambush predators, able to wait underwater for hours before striking. Their menu includes fish, birds, capybaras, caiman, deer, and on rare occasions, even a jaguar.
A jaguar? That's intense.
It is, but that's only part of the story. When scientists studied how constrictors like the anaconda kill, they found it's not just suffocation, it's rapid circulatory arrest. The snake squeezes so powerfully, blood flow stops almost instantly. That insight has helped researchers better understand crush injuries in humans and could improve future trauma treatments. And that's not all. Engineers designing soft, flexible robots have studied snake movement, and the anaconda is a masterclass. Its ability to glide powerfully and silently through water has inspired designs for search and rescue robots and underwater inspection devices. Then there's a genetic twist. In 2017, a captive female anaconda gave birth without mating. This rare process, called parthenogenesis, is helping scientists learn more about reptile genetics, reproduction, and even conservation breeding. Seeing and learning about wildlife can lower stress, improve mood, and boost focus. Yes, even snakes. Educators use anacondas to turn fear into fascination, replacing kill it with protect it. Movies made them villains, but in reality, they avoid humans when possible. By sharing accurate information, we help communities live alongside these snakes without unnecessary killing.
So, education changes everything?
Absolutely. Fear fades when facts replace fiction. As top predators, anacondas help keep populations of rodents, capybaras, and even small caiman in check. Without them, certain species could overpopulate, damaging the ecosystem. Rodents, in particular, aren't just crop destroyers. They can carry diseases harmful to humans. By controlling rodent numbers, anacondas indirectly protect both health and food supplies. And here's a sign of their environmental importance. Anacondas need clean, healthy wetlands. If you see them thriving, it means the local ecosystem is doing well. Protecting the snake often means protecting everything in that habitat.
So, they're not just part of the system, they are an indicator it's working.
Exactly. Many travelers pay to see anacondas in the wild from a safe distance. That ecotourism brings income to local communities and encourages wetland conservation. For many indigenous peoples of the Amazon, the anaconda is part of cultural stories, symbolizing strength, water, or creation. Protecting them also protects cultural heritage. Unfortunately, anacondas face threats from habitat destruction, pollution, and hunting. If they vanish, rodent populations could explode, wetlands could degrade, and biodiversity would suffer. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, education, and sustainable tourism.
So, losing them would be more than losing a snake, it would be losing balance in ecosystem.
Exactly right. If you live where they do, keep livestock secure at night. Don't disturb or try to handle wild snakes. Support conservation programs and wildlife tours that value living animals over trophies. The anaconda is far more than a monster from the movies. It's a guardian of wetland balance, a spark for science, a teacher of tolerance, and a source of income for communities.
And that wraps our very first Animals Done. I'm Adrian Kade. Here with me our wildlife expert Sage Arlen. Sage, thanks for sharing your knowledge today.
Always a pleasure, Adrian. And thank you to everyone listening. The wild has more friends than we realize.
See you next time for another surprising story from nature. Until then, stay curious.